We're a research center within the School of Natural Resources and Environment, and a primary research tool that we use to study any of the human-built technologies, products, and services is called Life Cycle Assessment, LCA. And this basically looks at a system, and it starts with nature, natural resources, and it measures everything it takes to turn those natural resources into a usable product or service, starting with extracting the natural resource, whether it's mining for minerals, pumping oil, cutting down a tree, and then you transform those materials into smelted metal, refined oil, whatever it is, and then you take those materials and turn them into parts to manufacture and assemble whatever the product is, an automobile, a yogurt cup, anything that we make and build. And then there's the phase of this life cycle called the use phase. So it's the time that product is useful, and when it's done being useful, you retire it. You could either remanufacture it, you can recycle it, you can find another use for it, or you landfill it or incinerate it. So when you've taken into account everything that goes into this whole system, all the inputs of material, all the inputs of energy, and everything that comes out, the product you want, as well as the pollution that you don't want or the other waste, what you see is there's either certain materials, certain processes, or certain stages of the life where we could really have a big impact on improving the environmental performance of that product if we were only aware of where those stages were. So we apply this methodology to everything from packaging to agricultural products like yogurt or gallons of milk, to whole complex systems like offshore wind farm or whole automobile. And again, this basic framework helps us inform a decision maker with where they could start improving their product or their service. Okay, so our research and the publications that come out of it, as well as a growing set of fact sheets, can be found on our center's website, which is css.snre.umich.edu.